Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make sushi videos. First, decide on the specific sushi roll you want to showcase, like a classic California roll or a spicy tuna. Next, gather all your fresh ingredients and essential tools, such as a bamboo mat and a sharp knife. Finally, plan out each step of your video, ensuring a logical flow from preparation to the final plating. This structured approach makes filming much smoother. Before hitting record, meticulously prepare all your ingredients. Slice fish, chop vegetables, and cook rice so everything is ready to go. When filming, ensure you have bright, even lighting to highlight your food. Use a tripod for steady shots and capture each step from at least 2 different angles. This variety will make your editing process much more engaging and professional. Now for the fun part, rolling. Clearly demonstrate how to spread the rice, add fillings, and use the bamboo mat to create a tight, uniform roll. Then, show viewers the correct way to slice the sushi into even pieces, perhaps using a slightly wet knife for clean cuts. Finally, arrange your beautiful sushi artfully on a plate, making it visually appealing for your audience. After filming, it's time to edit your masterpiece. Combine your best shots, add a clear voiceover explaining each step, or use on-screen text for key instructions. Craft an exciting intro to hook viewers and a friendly outro to encourage engagement. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Share your amazing sushi video across your favorite platforms.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.